So hello, this is the GitHub repo for our task given support chatbot. So let me open the interface. Yeah, it is the interface of the task given. So if a user wants a basic information like service and query, then we can click upon this. And yeah, these are means some of the responses are hard coded, like service inquiry general questions, like all this stuff are hard coded. But yeah, if user want to know anything like what uh, the cost of the services, yeah, if user wants to know, there is a typing thing coming for better user experience. And yeah, so these are the basic repairing cost, average cost. All these are fetched from the Langchain thing that the PDF was given, from which the backend call goes from the front end, and these all things are fetched. And yeah, something else like if we want to know the what are the what the repair methods of electricity. Electricity. So yeah, it's giving some response. Let's wait. Yeah, the repair methods of electrical issues include this, and yeah, it's coming directly from the PDF using the RAT pipeline. So yes, let me show some of the code. Like yeah, it is the backend thing. So yeah, like here is a LangChain functions. So firstly, what we are doing in the backend, there is a function called get documents from PDF, where we are loading the PDF and splitting it, and yes, then we are creating the vector store in another function that is called create db function. So yeah, we embed the splitted docs. We are embedding this in a vector store, and yeah, we get the vector store. And in our another function that is create chain, we are simply defining the model prompt chain. Yeah, we are then creating the retriever. So basically yeah, retriever chain, and yeah, we're getting the retriever chain from this create chain function. And yes, then yeah, this is not required, so let me come out. So yeah, this process chat thing and get response from PDF info. um, so this is another function where all this the responses, the we are calling this from our this first API endpoint. Where is it? Yeah, get response from PDF info. We are calling this function from our endpoint route. So this is the endpoint route get response that we will be calling from the front end. And this is like another endpoint for submitting the user info. Let me show um, here. Let me go to main menu, and if we want to set an appointment, we can give our yeah submit the above form. So yeah, let me name something. At the gmail.com, and yeah, some random numbers, and which service I want. This one suppose, and we submitted. Form submission failed. Let me see. I guess there is some error. It looks like form submission. Okay, I guess there are some issues in the form submission, but yes, the form submission thing is getting stored in our Postgres database. Yeah, let me show. Yes, it is Postgres database. We are using SQL model ORM for connecting to our Postgres database. So we have fast API and SQL model for ORM thing, and Postgres for the database thing. So actually it was supposed to get stored in our database, but yeah, so there are some issues, I guess. So yes, and um, this is the backend thing. And for the front end code, we have just a simple React code. We have a chat container in it, And yeah, the backend thing is actually deployed in my own VM, which VPS, because in Vercel there was problem in deploying the backend thing, and the front end thing is deployed on the Vercel platform. So yeah, then this is a basic React code of suppose I want to there is a message component, chat window component, and suppose I want to message means input. So when I submit the input from the front end, this add new message gets called, add message gets called, and this what it does is we have a separate response.js separately written, where all the basic hard coded things are there, and in my default block of switch case we have something called get response from PDF function, which is calling my backend for getting the response. So yeah, this is basically the front end code in chat window and basic React stuff. So yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, that's the explanation. Thank you for the opportunity.